नमस्ते। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गेनल ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. I welcome all of you in today practical session of case taking, in which we try to understand how to take proper case, how to complete the symptom of the patient. So in today's session we will discuss aphorism 87. Dr. Henneman says in this aphorism, that is, physician obtains more precise information. मीन्स फिजिशियन को और इसके मतलब कि जैसा कि हमने लास्ट लेक्चर के अंदर पढ़ा कि सिम्टम को कवर करना है, हर सेंसेशन को कवर करना है, किस तरह का एग्जैक्टली पेशेंट को सेंसेशन आ रहा है, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सेंसेशन एक्चुअली पेशेंट फील्स, एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन and the modality is part of the symptom, and as well as physician should take more precise information respecting each particular detail. कि हर सिम्टम की जो भी माइन्यूट डिटेल है, जो भी अल्टर्ड स्टेट है, everything should be noted by the physician, but without ever framing his questions. But here is the caution for the physician, that in this process to collect minute detail, precise information, physician never ask the suggestive questions or leading questions. So while framing the question does not have the suggestive or leading type words in the questions. So framing his questions so as to suggest the answer to the patient, so that he shall only have to answer yes or no, else he will be misled to answer in the affirmative or negative something, untrue, half true, or not strictly correct. If question is suggestive or leading, then there is no choice for the patient to explain spontaneously every feeling. So in this matter, in these suggestive questions, patient has only two choice, yes or no. ये ऐसा होता है, नहीं होता है, नहीं होता है. तो हमारे क्वेश्चंस ऐसे होने चाहिए जिससे कि पेशेंट फ्रीली जो वो फील कर रहा है उसको एक्सप्रेस कर सके. अदरवाइज वी हैव इनकम्प्लीट पिक्चर ऑफ द डिजीज़, हाफ ट्रू पिक्चर ऑफ द डिजीज़, एंड दिस लीडिंग टू improper homeopathic medicine. So in order to get minimum correct medicine, every information should get from the patient without any framing questions in a suggestive words, in a leading words. Every information should have complete unbiased feeling of the patient, either from indolence or in order to please his interrogator, from which a false picture of the disease and an unsuitable mode of treatment must result. So all this process leading to false picture of the disease, if our questions are belong to suggestive or leading questions, then we have not the true picture of the disease, only false picture of the disease, and this leads also in the incorrect prescription of the medicine. Now the footnote of this aphorism, that is, for instance, the physician should not ask, was not this or that circumstance present? He should never be guilty of making such suggestions which tend to seduce the patient into giving a false answer and a false account of his symptoms. So this is very important aphorism, and we have to consider these guidelines while taking the symptom from the patient. Thanks. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.